Good evening, everyone. My name is Kaylin Zoltek, and this is my co-anchor, Gerald Barkanopoulos. As he is new to our team, he'll be kicking things off tonight. It seems our new anchor is a little nervous. All right, Gerald, pass me the bucket. A lot has been happening recently in the world of news, so let's get started. First up, we want to wish a happy belated birthday to Skylar Shipley, the daughter of AQ Shipley, a long-running favorite football player of PAW Channel News. Speaking of AQ Shipley, our first report is on science programs in our education system. Recently, there has been an increase in complaints from both parents and teachers that students are not being exposed to science enough, particularly at younger ages. They and many others believe that this is the major cause of the overall decrease we have observed in young adults moving into science-based careers. Many teachers and scientists have decided to take action. They have been actively voicing support for more science programs. Teachers have incorporated more science-themed activities into their lessons, and scientists have been traveling all over to give presentations. Thankfully, these efforts seem to be working as even the students have started to get involved. This here is a children's book called Bonding, Biochemistry, and Finding a Sense of Belonging. This story was written by a high school AP biology student who hopes to impart her knowledge on younger generations. She even dedicated the book to Mr. Shipley as he helped her and her classmates to understand the unequalness that can often result if a larger atom is paired with a smaller atom in a covalent bond. In her story, she highlights many important biochemistry topics, such as atoms, different types of bonds, chemical properties, the importance of the periodic table, the noble gases, and valence electrons. Teachers and adults of younger children everywhere are loving this story, as it manages to teach children about significant biology topics while also being a source of engaging entertainment. Reports have been particularly positive about the section of the book in which the bonding of atoms is compared to interactions amongst children. The author showed how covalent bonding is similar to sharing with others and how that is something children should practice in their daily lives. She also cleverly compares ionic bonding to either stealing or donating. She shows how stealing is never okay, but how on the other hand, donating and giving to the less fortunate is a positive practice that many children should try and exercise. Another prime example that has teachers excited is this brochure, Wildlife Rehabilitators, which has been a big hit among all ages. Both the older and younger kids have a soft spot for animals and animal treatment, so it is no surprise that this particular brochure has had such positive feedback. The high school age creator made a detailed brochure that truly shows what this career is all about. She included daily tasks, salary information, education requirements, statistics, and a predicted career outlook, as well as ways to contact and see local wildlife rehabilitation centers, so particularly interested individuals can take action. She made sure to include realistic information, such as the fact that this career involves having to use biological knowledge daily in order to be able to understand how different species have evolved in both their everyday needs and overall body structures. Overall, her factual brochure helps people of all ages to get a quick yet in-depth look at a biological career that is not often talked about. Thank you for tuning in with us tonight. From Sigourney, Marlon, Dory, Gerald, and the rest of the PAW Channel News team, I'm Kaylin Zoltek. We remind you to never stop thinking, and good night.